Hello, and welcome to Omasae, a creative space where imagination meets sustainability. Today, we're exploring the transformative beauty of upcycled branch art, turning what many might consider waste into stunning, handcrafted works that breathe life into any space. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment to share your thoughts or inspirations. In this video, you'll discover how fallen branches, each with its own unique textures, shapes, and stories, can be transformed into elegant, eye-catching art pieces. Working with natural materials requires patience, creativity, and an appreciation for imperfection, and we'll guide you through how these elements can be combined to create sculptures that are both sophisticated and inviting. You'll see how light and shadow interact with the organic forms, how textures and grains enhance visual interest, and how thoughtful composition can turn simple branches into a centerpiece. Each branch has its own character, twists, curves, knots, and color variations that contribute to the overall aesthetic, creating a tactile and visually rich experience. Through this video, you'll also witness how upcycling promotes sustainability, turning discarded or overlooked materials into works of art that celebrate nature. By the end, you'll be inspired to see beauty in the ordinary and discover the endless creative possibilities that branches offer. Let's begin this journey of transformation, exploring how natural elements can be elevated into timeless, sophisticated art. One of the most striking creations in branch art is the Interwoven branch pyramid, a piece that combines structure with organic flow. This sculpture starts with carefully selected branches, each chosen for its length, strength, and curvature, which together form a pyramid that is both visually compelling and structurally sound. The interweaving technique highlights the natural flexibility of the wood, creating a pattern that is intricate yet harmonious. As branches cross and overlap, they form subtle shadows that dance across surfaces, adding depth and movement. Each intersection celebrates the natural imperfections of the wood, transforming knots, splits, and bends into design features that contribute to the sculpture's elegance. The pyramid shape itself evokes a sense of balance and stability, while the open spaces between branches allow air and light to pass through, making the piece feel airy and alive. This combination of form, texture, and openness creates a sculpture that is simultaneously grounded and dynamic. The interplay of straight and curved lines captures attention from multiple angles, encouraging viewers to explore the piece from different perspectives. By allowing the branches to guide the design rather than forcing uniformity, this art emphasizes natural beauty and effortless sophistication. As you observe the interwoven branch pyramid, you notice how organic materials can be shaped into geometric compositions that retain a sense of warmth and vitality. This piece serves as a perfect example of how upcycled materials can create something striking, stylish, and inspiring. Next, the hanging woodland branch screen transforms vertical space into an elegant, nature-inspired backdrop. Designed to act as both a visual divider and a decorative accent, this piece utilizes slender branches arranged in cascading patterns. Each branch is carefully selected for length and alignment, and suspended in a way that highlights its natural curves. As the branches hang, they create movement, swaying slightly with air currents, adding a sense of liveliness and fluidity. The spaces between the branches allow light to filter through, casting intricate shadows that shift throughout the day. This screen provides texture and rhythm, transforming a plain wall or corner into an inviting, layered display. The combination of vertical lines and organic irregularity creates a balance between structure and spontaneity, making the piece versatile for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Its natural materials evoke a feeling of serenity, connecting viewers with the outdoors even within a refined interior. Adding subtle accents, such as small moss clusters or dried foliage, can enhance the overall aesthetic without detracting from the simplicity of the branches. Hanging at varying heights, the branches form a visual tapestry that draws the eye upward, encouraging contemplation and relaxation. The hanging woodland branch screen exemplifies how art can merge function and beauty, elevating a space while celebrating the inherent qualities of natural materials. It demonstrates that thoughtful design can transform ordinary wood into a graceful, engaging installation. The Radial branch mandala installation transforms fallen wood into a mesmerizing, circular composition that celebrates symmetry and organic form. Branches radiate from a central point, creating intricate patterns that draw the eye and evoke a sense of harmony and balance. Each branch is selected for length, curvature, and texture, ensuring that the radial design feels cohesive while maintaining the natural irregularity of the wood. The mandala's circular form encourages viewers to pause and explore, offering multiple perspectives that reveal new details with every glance. Shadows cast by overlapping branches enhance depth and dimension, making the installation appear dynamic even when stationary. Materials such as driftwood, weathered twigs, or reclaimed branches add authenticity, each contributing its own story to the design. This installation highlights the meditative quality of art, where repetition and pattern create a calming visual rhythm. placement on the ground, tabletop, or as a wall-mounted piece transforms ordinary spaces into areas of reflection and aesthetic enjoyment. The radial branch mandala demonstrates how careful composition and respect for natural forms can result in sophisticated, elegant art that engages the senses. It is a reminder that beauty is often found in patterns, contrasts, and the subtle details that emerge when nature meets thoughtful design. Transform a plain garden fence into a natural work of art with rustic branch fence panels. By arranging vertical branches of varying thickness and height along your fence, you create a visually striking, textured backdrop that blends seamlessly with surrounding greenery. Each branch, with its unique twists, knots, and grains, contributes character and charm, turning discarded or fallen wood into sustainable garden art. The vertical alignment draws the eye upward, creating a sense of height and rhythm, while small gaps between branches allow light and air to flow, making the structure feel organic and airy rather than heavy. Over time, climbing plants such as ivy, jasmine, or morning glories can weave through the spaces, integrating greenery with a natural wood and enhancing the fence's dynamic, living aesthetic. Beyond aesthetics, this approach adds subtle privacy without blocking sunlight, and the rustic appearance complements a variety of garden styles, from cozy cottage gardens to modern outdoor spaces. Minimal treatment of the branches preserves their natural textures and color, while weathering adds a soft, timeless gray patina. The installation is flexible and eco-conscious. Branches can be replaced individually, and the fence can grow and evolve alongside the garden. The rustic branch fence panel is a perfect example of how sustainability, creativity, and nature can intersect, creating a garden feature that is functional, artistic, and inviting. It reminds us that even the simplest natural materials can become extraordinary, elevating ordinary fences into captivating, eco-friendly garden statements. Branches are not just building materials. They can be transformed into whimsical, eye-catching sculptures that bring charm and creativity to any garden. By carefully arranging and shaping branches, you can create animal forms, for example, rabbits, where thicker branches serve as bodies and thinner twigs form legs, tails, or antlers. Adding moss, vines, or small flowers enhances texture and color, allowing the sculptures to blend naturally with the surrounding greenery. Beyond animals, branches can be twisted and joined to form seasonal or decorative shapes, including stars or hearts, creating delightful focal points that capture attention and spark imagination. These sculptures can be freestanding on the ground, attached to fence posts, or mounted on garden walls, integrating seamlessly into both small and expansive garden spaces. The natural curves, twists, and imperfections of the wood bring authenticity and movement to each piece, while light and shadow play across the textures, giving the sculptures dynamic depth throughout the day. Such creations are not only visually appealing, but also sustainable, making use of reclaimed or fallen branches in an eco-conscious way. The versatility of branches allows endless experimentation, encouraging gardeners and artists to explore shapes, forms, and scales that complement their environment. Whether it's a playful rabbit peeking through ferns, a star twinkling among shrubs, or a delicate flower crafted entirely from twigs, branch sculptures invite creativity, delight, and a harmonious connection between nature and art. As we conclude our journey into the world of upcycled branch art, we see how fallen and overlooked branches can be transformed into stunning, sophisticated works that enrich any environment. From the geometric elegance of the interwoven branch pyramid to the fluidity of the hanging woodland branch screen, the organic charm of the woodland crown display, the meditative beauty of the radial branch mandala, and the dynamic energy of the twisting branch tower, each piece celebrates nature, creativity, and mindful craftsmanship. These sculptures demonstrate that even simple materials can have a profound impact when approached with care and imagination. If you enjoyed this exploration, please subscribe to Omasae, give this video a like, and share your thoughts or ideas in the comments below. Upcycled branch art encourages us to see potential in the overlooked, blending sustainability with elegance, and inspiring us to integrate beauty and nature into our everyday spaces. Remember, each branch has a story, each twist and knot contributes to a larger narrative. And with creativity, these natural elements can be reborn as extraordinary art. Thank you for joining us, and may your own creative journey be filled with wonder, elegance, and a deep appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us.